Welcome to Decor Menu, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for high profit as a woodworker. So watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Small wood furniture and decor pieces have gained significant traction in recent years, emerging as a profitable niche for woodworkers. The advantages of focusing on these items compared to larger furniture pieces are manifold, encompassing aspects like production efficiency, market demand, customization potential, and lower overhead costs. One of the primary advantages of small wood furniture and decor is the efficiency of production. Small items can be crafted more quickly than larger counterparts, allowing woodworkers to produce a higher volume of products in a shorter time frame. This efficiency translates directly into profit, as woodworkers can capitalize on their time and resources. The ability to create multiple small items simultaneously also means that even if individual pieces have lower price points, the cumulative revenue from sales can be substantial. For instance, a woodworker might take a day to craft a single dining table, but they could create several small shelves or decorative items in the same period, maximizing their output without sacrificing quality. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Market demand plays a crucial role in the profitability of small wood furniture and decor pieces. In recent years, there has been a noticeable shift in consumer preferences towards smaller, functional items that fit well within compact living spaces. With urbanization on the rise, many individuals and families are moving into apartments or smaller homes where space is at a premium. Consequently, there is a growing demand for small furniture and decor that combines aesthetics with practicality. Woodworkers who specialize in these items can tap into a burgeoning market, appealing to a demographic that values both design and functionality. Moreover, small pieces are often seen as impulse purchases, which can encourage higher sales volumes. Customization is another area where small wood furniture excels. The relatively lower cost and production time associated with these items allow woodworkers to offer a variety of customized options without overwhelming their resources. Customers today are increasingly seeking unique, personalized products that reflect their individual styles and preferences. By providing tailored solutions, woodworkers can differentiate themselves from mass-produced furniture manufacturers. This ability to customize can create a loyal customer base willing to pay a premium for unique pieces, enhancing profit margins. Furthermore, offering customization can lead to repeat business as satisfied customers return for additional items or refer others looking for personalized solutions. Small wood furniture and decor pieces also lend themselves well to the integration of various design styles, making them versatile in appeal. From rustic and farmhouse aesthetics to modern and minimalist designs, these items can easily adapt to different trends, attracting diverse customer segments. This versatility allows woodworkers to experiment with different styles and materials, further enhancing their creative expression and marketability. By staying attuned to design trends and consumer preferences, woodworkers can create pieces that resonate with current market demands, ensuring their products remain relevant and desirable. Another significant advantage is the lower overhead costs associated with small furniture and decor production. Larger pieces require more materials, larger workspaces, and potentially more complex machinery, all of which can lead to increased expenses. In contrast, small wood items typically demand less in terms of both material and space, allowing woodworkers to minimize their overhead. This reduction in costs can contribute to a healthier profit margin, enabling woodworkers to reinvest in their businesses or explore further creative opportunities. Additionally, lower overhead makes it easier for new woodworkers to enter the market, as they can start small without significant financial risk. Marketing small wood furniture and decor pieces can also be more straightforward than larger furniture items. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, Woodworkers can showcase their products through visually appealing platforms that highlight the craftsmanship and design of their pieces. Small items are often easier to photograph and present online, allowing woodworkers to create compelling marketing campaigns that attract potential buyers. The ability to engage with customers through social media can foster a community around the brand, encouraging word-of-mouth referrals and repeat business. The trend towards sustainability and eco-conscious consumerism further enhances the appeal of small wood furniture. Many consumers today are looking for products that align with their values, including a preference for sustainable materials and practices. Woodworkers who prioritize sourcing responsibly and using eco-friendly finishes can appeal to this demographic, creating a niche market that not only supports the environment but also boosts profitability. Small items allow for the use of reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, which can enhance the story behind each piece and attract customers who value sustainability. In addition, the tactile and aesthetic qualities of wood make small furniture and decor pieces particularly appealing. Wood has a warmth and uniqueness that synthetic materials often lack. Customers are drawn to the natural variations in grain and finish, which add character to each item. This appreciation for craftsmanship can lead to a willingness to pay more for well-made, artisanal products. Woodworkers who emphasize quality and craftsmanship in their small pieces can capitalize on this trend, further enhancing their profitability. The ability to create seasonal or themed decor items is another advantage for woodworkers focusing on small pieces. The crafting of holiday decorations, seasonal decor, or special occasion items can lead to bursts of sales throughout the year. This cyclical demand can provide woodworkers with opportunities to generate additional revenue during peak buying seasons by strategically planning production around key holidays or events. Woodworkers can maximize their sales potential and create a more stable income throughout the year. Moreover, small wood furniture and decor pieces often have a broader appeal across various demographics. They can attract younger consumers looking to furnish their first apartments or older generations seeking to downsize. This wide-ranging appeal means that woodworkers can target multiple markets simultaneously, increasing their chances of making sales. The flexibility in pricing for small items also allows woodworkers to cater to different budgets, from affordable decor pieces to higher-end, artisanal items. Networking and community engagement can also play a significant role in the success of woodworkers specializing in small furniture and decor. By participating in local craft fairs, markets, and online platforms, woodworkers can build a presence within their communities and connect with potential customers. These interactions can lead to valuable feedback, collaboration opportunities, and increased visibility for their products. Community engagement fosters relationships that can enhance brand loyalty and encourage local support, further driving sales. Finally, the joy of creating small wood furniture and decor pieces can contribute to a fulfilling career for woodworkers. The satisfaction of seeing a finished piece, the creativity involved in design, and the positive feedback from customers can make the process rewarding beyond financial gain. This fulfillment can lead to greater passion and dedication, inspiring woodworkers to continuously improve their craft and explore new ideas. The emotional connection to their work can translate into higher quality products and more authentic marketing efforts, further enhancing their profitability. In conclusion, small wood furniture and decor pieces offer numerous advantages for woodworkers seeking to maximize profit. From production efficiency and market demand to customization potential and lower overhead costs, the benefits are clear. By focusing on these items, woodworkers can tap into a thriving market that values quality, sustainability, and unique design. The ability to adapt to consumer trends, engage with communities, and create personalized products positions woodworkers favorably in a competitive landscape. Ultimately, small wood furniture and decor are not only profitable ventures, but also avenues for creativity and craftsmanship that resonate with modern consumers. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for high profit as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.